Hello, children. I hope you all are doing good. I want to ask you one thing. You have been staying at your homes from last 2 to 3 months. So have you spent your time watching TV, playing some indoor games, or you may be insisting your parents and grandparents to tell you some stories? If you really like to listen to the fairy tales and adventurous stories, you will enjoy doing this activity. This activity is about making a comic strip or a cartoon strip. Now, what is a comic strip? It is a series of the interrelated drawings that tell us a story. I hope every one of you have heard of the famous Indian comic book character Chacha Chaudhary. His comic was available in 10 languages. And other comic books that were very famous were Spider-Man, Superman. And if I tell you roughly, it's a booklet where you see different characters, the drawings, and the dialogues written in between. So we are also going to make the same one. For this, first of all, you have to choose an overall theme for your comic book. That what you want to represent through it. Do you want to give any message, or you just want to represent a conversation between any of the characters that you have chosen? Then you have to choose the characters. They can be your superheroes, favorite ones, Spider-Man, Superman, Captain America, or electronic gadgets like Doraemon. You like Doraemon, Nobita, how they interact with each other, how he gives instructions and Doraemon do all the things. You want to place yourself at his place. You can make anything. Then you have to sketch the characters in your comic book. You have to make drawings of them and you have to give them the dialogues, the conversation. You can first write down all the points on a separate paper, and you can also search online for some other basic ideas. Then, once you are done with the drawing part, you have to give them the dialogues. In your worksheet that we have given for this activity, our theme was to give you a message of saving animals. There should be no cruelty to animals. And we have given you a comic strip of 2 to 3 pages, and after that a template is given to you where the dialogue boxes are already made, so that you can have an idea that how the characters are to be drawn and where the dialogues have to be written. Once all these things are done, share your comic book with your friends. You can publish it online also, and you can show it to your parents, grandparents. Now we will show you the comic strip that we have made. This is the comic strip that I have made. I've made a cover page and wrote a message that today I realized that it doesn't matter if animals can talk or think exactly like we do, because the only thing that really matters is that when it comes to suffering, we all are the same. They all feel pain, they all want to be alive, they all want freedom, they can all suffer. Now, in this comic strip, I've given the dialogues to three of the friends. They are discussing about that what is a wet market. She's asking what's a wet market, and he is asking why do we call it wet. And she is answering all the things that a wet market is a place where people buy birds, fish, bats, and other animals to eat. And then they are again given a dialogue. She's saying that's so sad, it's not fair. And he's saying that they also deserve to be free and they should be with their families. Then she's explaining that wet markets are dangerous because sometimes animals can have viruses that makes humans sick. And The reason why we are staying at our home and not going to school is coronavirus. And she's telling about that also, that experts think that a novel coronavirus pandemic started in a wet market only. So she questions that why do we still have markets if they can make the whole world sick? Today the whole world is suffering. And he questions that if we did not eat animals, we could protect both animals and humans. So she's answering, it's a good question. Experts say we should shut them down to help avoid the next outbreak. Animals don't want to be killed. We can wash our hands with soap and water to kill viruses, and we can eat vegetarian food to help prevent more viruses from spreading and to save the animal lives. So in this way, I have made a 3-page comic book and I have given the dialogues. My theme was to give a message about coronavirus, that how it can be stopped further, like how the world can stop such viruses to spread in the future. And I have chosen 3 characters, 2 girls and 1 boy, and in the form of the dialogues I have given them a conversation form. So you can also choose your own characters and make a comic strip like this. When we'll meet in the school, I hope to see some funny, beautiful and interesting comic strips.